This demo demonstrates an agent in a drive-thru scenario. It's hosted on LiveKit Cloud, and it's able to communicate with the front end via RPC. Let's give it a try. Hey there, can I get a Big Mac combo with a large fry and a medium Diet Coke?
All right, got you a Big Mac combo with a large fries and a medium Diet Coke. What else can I get for you?
Yeah, can I just get a hamburger on its own and then a 6-piece nugget meal with barbecue sauce and a small orange juice?
Got it. Added 1 hamburger and a 6-piece nugget Happy Meal with barbecue sauce and a small orange juice. Anything else for you today?
No, that's it.
You're all set. Your total is $18.48. Go ahead and pull up to the next window whenever you're ready. Thanks for choosing McDonald's.
We posted all the source code for this agent so that you can see exactly how it works. The demo is also live and public, so visit the link and you can try it for yourself.